Hey guys, welcome to another part about the spaces, how spaces name entity recognition tok2vec model works and how actually basic theory behind it. So there are a lot of various articles and blogs available on the internet, but there is no sufficient information is given. So I'm going to tell you how it's working in a simple and very lucid language manner. So tok2vec model is nothing but it's based on the spaces model and it utilizes the deep learning neural network. So you should remember here it's using the deep learning neural networks, and mostly it's using the convolutional neural network. It's a CNN. So most of you will ask how CNN can be used for the text data, as most of us know that CNN can be used for the computer vision and all those image classification or video processing tasks. So please remember guys, CNN can also be used for the text data processing, such as if you have such a local label data and you have local features, and you can easily use this for CNN. So you can ask how we can use that. Same as like whenever we are going to use image, and through the image we are going to do a convolutional layer, and on that convolutional layer we are applying the filter to get the various important features. By applying the max pooling layer we get the important features. Same happens in the text data. What happens in the spaces tok2vec model? Initially we passes the words or sentence to the that tok2vec model, then as like same of glow or word to vector embedding. Here what happens, initially all those words or sentences splitted, means here tokenization happens. Tokenization happens at two levels. If you have given sentence, then sentence tokenization happens, and after that word tokenization happens. So what is tokenization? Tokenization is nothing but the splitting of words into its root form to get the actual meaning of the words. So there are various methods such as lemmatization or stemming. I am not going to go into detail, that I have already told about what is lemmatization, stemming. So after tokenization what happens, there is one technique came as subword tokenization. As we know, there are some drawbacks are occurred in the word to vector or glow vectors, and one major drawback is the out of vocabulary word. Suppose if there are very large out of vocabulary words present which are not given in the same length of the word to vector and all those, so such issue can be handled in the spaces tok2vec by using subword tokenization. Here what happens, the words which are occurred in the out of vocabulary, all those words are splitted into once again n-gram, or I will tell you that subword I have made some notes, n-gram or byte pair encoding. So by splitting those words, out of vocabulary words, into the n-grams, or byte splitting means we are again splitting that word into the subwords, and through that subwords we are going to get the actual meaning towards the real words, or whatever words we have in the real time database, we are going to get the meaning through that. So that's the major advantages of tok2vec model. After doing all those tokenization and subword tokenization, after that we are going to do actually CNN architecture. So how here actually CNN architecture happens? What happens here, then CNN operates on the subword tokenization and tokenization layer, and please remember here very important points, and it's the CNN operates on the subword sequence and